Alright, so we're going to put this thing on. Very quick and easily here. You want to final maneuvering. Perfect. Just make sure all those are folded flat. You'll notice that the strap here does sit behind this, so this should still be fully functional. And voila. And then you can kind of make adjustments just to kind of straighten it up a little bit. If you're like me, you're very OCD and you want it to fit just perfectly. So it's about as good as it gets. I mean, this is pretty cool. Yeah, nice little additional extra cushion. And looks like it'd be very comfy. Pull my sleeve up so I can get the full effect here. Yeah, it's a nice little cushion. A little bit more padded, so it doesn't interfere with anything. And plus it adds a little bit of protection too on top of your console. So as you can see, plenty of, doesn't affect articulation, locking, or anything. So yeah, pretty neat a deal. So that like and share, put a link in the description below to their Amazon site, and we'll get, that way if you want one, you can get one for yourself. Thank you for watching.
Alright, so obviously this is not maybe for everybody, but I do think it's a nice quality. Has a little bit of a cushion. I'm not a big fan of the design on top, but you know, if you're wanting something for protection and you're wanting something that's comfortable, I think this is definitely something you'd want to check into. As mentioned, I will provide a link and a promo code so you guys can get a little bit cheaper off. And as always, please like and subscribe, and also hit the alert button so you can get alerted anytime there's new stuff dropping, which we'll have plenty more in the future. Thank you so much.